Hello everyone, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. My name is Talisha, also known as CreativiTeeByT, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you my sewing plans for this coming week, and I am going to be announcing the giveaway from the Morex Fabrics giveaway that I did on last Sunday, so I'm super excited about that. And I will go ahead and start off with what my sewing plans are this week. So I am going to be going to the sorority retreat that is being hosted by That's So Monica, and that is going to be in Dallas, Texas. Super excited about that. And with that being said, two different garments that they've asked that we bring is, one is some garment in all white, and the other garment is pink pajamas. I do have something in all white that I have made in the past. I do want to make something new, but I'm not going to focus on that right now because I don't have any pink pajamas that I feel like are nice. So I want to make a new pair of pink pajamas, and that's what I'm going to share with you first. So I have this pattern here. This is McCall's, oh well, let me look at it because I have the rack number here. So this is McCall's 8392, and this is what the pattern looks like right here. And so I will go ahead and put a picture in the screen, but again, this is McCall's 8392, and I am going to make the gown, which is view B. And so I'm going to put the line art in here so that you can see what this view B is all about. Okay, now I picked this because it'll be the quickest thing to make because I have some other things on my table that I need to get done as well. And although it is quick, I think it's going to be super cute, and when I'm not wearing it at the retreat, it's going to be super romantic. Okay, so this is just a one piece gown, and it has like wide straps, so that's nice. Now if I do get time and I decide to, that I will make the robe, which is view A, that goes along with it, but I just really doubt that I'm gonna have the time for that, but I am gonna try. So anyway, I'm focusing on view, which is the gown. Now let me show you the fabric that I am going to use for that. So this is some pink satin, and this is what it looks like right here. This is a better view of it. Last time I made a video, I fixed the camera to where it didn't go dark. I didn't do it this time, so this is a good representation of what it really looks like to the eye. So this is just regular pink satin, and I picked this up at Hobby Lobby, and I think I got like a yard and 7/8 or something like that to make it. And so that's gonna be, you know, basically the majority of that. Now if you look close at the line art, it has a dark area towards the bottom, and that is for fringe, right? So I was shopping in Hobby Lobby and looking at all the fringe, and I will actually put a clip in there as to what I came across, and I'll show you what I picked up. Look at this super duper adorable fringe. Oh my goodness, it has glitter in it, it has sequin in it, it sparkles. That is gonna be so nice. At the bottom of this gown, and it's not bulky or anything. And so even like here on the track here, it's not bulky or anything. So when it's on the gown, it's not going to interfere with sleeping. It's not going to feel bulky, anything like that. So I'm super excited about that. Now alongside with that, I'm like, well, you know, I know how the pattern design is, and it only calls for that trim on the bottom, the fringe trim on the bottom, but the top looks a little blah. So I did pick up these two buttons right here, and I am going to put those at the top, you know, like at the straps right here. So this is going to be super blingy in those areas, but it matches very well with the fringe. So I'm super excited about that. The last thing that I purchased for my gown that I forgot to mention is this thread right here. Always love the thread sale at Hobby Lobby. The other thing I'm going to be doing to prepare for the retreat is I am going to be cutting out patterns with fabric to take with me. And I'm going to prep those by serging them and things like that, because we are going to have about 2 times a day, and it's basically a 3.5 day retreat. But each day is going to have different times for sewing, like free sewing. So I am going to prepare all of those patterns to take with me, and I have to be mindful because I want to make sure that I can take the easier patterns that I want to make so that I can just whip them up and they are actually done within the little free space that we are allowed to do our sewing. And I have some in mind, and it's so nice that I'm going to be able to get this time, because I know that I will be able to get those things sewn up so that I can share with you on the channel and wear them. All right, so that is what I have going on for the sorority retreat prep, and I will go ahead and move on to the next pattern. So a couple of videos ago I had mentioned that I wanted to make a cardigan out of this strawberry fabric that I picked up, and I did make the shirt. Still haven't shown you, but I will be showing you soon. And to be honest, I would have showed you already, but I haven't taken photos, so just stay tuned, that's coming. But with this fabric and the additional strawberry fabric that I picked up, I wanted to make the cardigan from this pattern, which is Butterick 6495 right here. It's a very simple cardigan. Cardigans that I have made in the past have called for pockets, and while I love pockets, I'm starting to feel like I don't know that it's a good choice to put inside of my cardigans, because I just feel like they just get weighed down and then they kind of make the cardigan look a little frumpy. I'm not sure yet, we'll still see. But this pattern right here does not call for pockets for the actual cardigan, and so I'm going to make that for this. And again, I'm going to use the infamous strawberry fabric that you can get at Hobby Lobby if you would like. So for the last project that I have, I am going to be cutting out Simplicity 9857. I am working on a special project, and I need to have this special project at least prepped before I go away for the sorority retreat. So I'm going to be working on that as prep, and prep is always a good thing, so you could just get right on in there and get going and sew up the garment. All right, so that is all for my sewing plans for this week. It is a lot more than my usual, but I do believe I can get it all done because I have to. All right, so now for the moment that we have been waiting for, at least some of us have been, is the giveaway winner announcement. Yay! So what I'm gonna do now is I am gonna take you over to the laptop, and we are going to see who wins. I do have everyone's name in the wheel that answered the questions, which was, you know, which fabric do they like the most and what would you make? Okay, and you do have to be subscribed. So if you met all 3 requirements within your comment, you were entered into the wheel for the giveaway, and let's go ahead and go there now. Before we go to the computer to announce the giveaway winner, I do want to mention that in the comments section, I had an imposter that was pretending to be me, that made up a whole entire YouTube account with my profile photo, commenting back to those who commented on the video and stating, you know, what they would make with the fabric and which fabric that they wanted. I tried to delete all of those comments, and I blocked the person, I reported them and everything, but But the thing that bothered me the most, even though all of that is bad, is that they were asking for money once they got comments returned back to them. They were kind of corresponding with certain people and asking for money. Someone did send me an email to ask if I was actually asking for money to actually send the package and saying that they were the winner. So if that happened to you, I so apologize. I cannot believe people are going that far just to get a little bit of money. But just know that with my giveaways, I would never ask for money. A giveaway is a giveaway. If whatever I'm giving away, I am shipping to you with my own coins. Unfortunately, I don't need to be doing all that, asking for people's money. So again, I do apologize if it happened to you, and if you did not tell me about it and it happened to you, just that was not me. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the giveaway. All right, everyone, so we are now at the computer, and as you can see, I have everyone's name entered into the wheel that answered the 2 questions and are subscribed to this channel. As you can see, there's lots of names here, 46 entries. So I'm gonna go ahead and spin the wheel now. Oh, the baby's excited too. Congratulations, Grace. Oh, you won. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and head back to the sewing room. So I'm going to go ahead now and head back to the sewing room and end this video. Woohoo! Grace, I'm so excited for you. So Grace of So Lovely with Grace is the winner of this giveaway. And in Grace's comment, she mentioned that she wanted the yellow linen. So this beautiful yellow linen right here with a nice flowers on this. And she said that she would make a nice summer dress. So congratulations again, Grace. And in order to retrieve your fabric, just make sure that you send me an email, and my email is in the description box below. All right, so thank you so much for all that participated. I do appreciate your participation, and I plan to do more of these during the spring and summer, so stay tuned to the channel. I hope you enjoyed my sewing plans coming up, and I'm definitely going to be sharing with you the outcomes. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, and if you would like more content from me, please hit the subscribe button and click the gray notification so that you can be notified of future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.